Okay, YouTube, listen up. I'm going to make you guys some money. It's going to be recurring income. You're going to make some good money here, and it's going to be copy and paste simple. So watch this entire video. So here's what's going on. Well, first of all, this video, it's not going to be fancy. It's not going to have a bunch of jump cuts and special effects, and you're going to hear me stumble and stammer. I'm not going to do any fancy editing with this. It's just going to make you money. It's going to give you the information you need that can possibly make you good money. And I'm going to show you step by step. And again, cut and paste easy. So pay attention to the whole video. Don't make me punch you in the nose. All right, here's what's doing. If you don't know me, my name is Kinghuman, and I make people money. I teach people how I went from a stupid truck driver to being a millionaire. And I won't go into the details of it, but I have a website where I teach people what I do and how I make money online, and I show them how they could do the same thing. If you want to go check it out, you can. It's thekinghumanelite.com, and the link will be in the description below. I'm not really trying to pitch it. I really don't care what you do. This information is going to kill you. So check this out. I was showing this website that I made to my students, and I realized this is a teaching moment for you guys as well, the people that watch me on YouTube, because what you're looking at here is a video that I cranked out in about 5 minutes, and it makes money. This thing can be sold over and over and over again for hundreds of dollars, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do. Again, cut and paste easy. But before I do that, I want to give you the premise here. So let's say this guy is a dentist, and he has a dentist website. He's talking about what a good dentist he is, but he doesn't have a video. So I've gone on to his website, and I've found him, and he's got a decent website, but there's no sales video. Video is what sells. It sells products. It sells services. It sells everything. So a lot of these guys have no clue. So I'm going to show you this video that I made for this dental website. I'm just going to show a short clip of it so you get the idea. Now, first of all, you can see, look at how it's watermarked. Preview, preview, preview. I'll talk about that in a minute. But basically, this is the way I can potentially send my potential clients a review video, and they can't steal it from me, right? It just doesn't happen. Anyway, here's what's doing. Let me just play this, and you'll get an idea of how cool this is and how you can crank out these kind of videos and sell them for big money in just a few minutes. Watch. Every child needs a healthy smile. At Healthy Kids Smiles, we focus on positive dentist experiences for every patient. We're located in Watsonville on the central coast of California, and our entire dental team is devoted to helping kids feel welcome and comfortable, and we nurture trusting relationships that last. And what's more is kids actually have fun in our dental office. A healthy smile today can help protect overall health, encourage great dental habits, prevent future problems, and even improve self-esteem. And we greatly appreciate the trust you've placed in us. Our number one goal is to provide children with the highest quality pediatric dental care. Okay, so you get the idea. Now, how did I make this video? First of all, if I go on to a Google search, right, and I search for my local dentists in my area, right, I can come across, like, look at this guy. Okay, this is a good website, but look at what's missing. A video. I mean, he's got some slides in here, but that does nothing. So all I need to do is crank out this video and contact this guy. All I need to do is send him an email, and there's always a contact thing down here. I'm not going to find it. Let's see. His email address. Anyway, there's contact information. I can send him this email saying, hey, you've got a great website, but you have no video. Video is what sells. And I can send him a demo video, just like I showed you. And if he goes for it, you've made 500 bucks. It's really cool. It's a really simple, easy thing to do. Now let me show you how easy it is to actually make the video. So I have this video maker tool. I'm going to show you. This is so cool. So all I did was, to make that video you just watched, I went on to a particular dentist's website and I just copied what he had on his website and I pasted it in this box. And then all I do is, see this little green button down here? I'm not sure if you can see it. It might be off screen. But there's a little green button down there and it says create scenes. So I hit that button and what it does is it adds all of these little video clips. It's making the video for me. It's so easy, really. That's all there is to it. See how it's done? And then I click another button and it renders the video. And the other thing I can do is I can add watermarks that say preview or demo. So right here where it says watermark, I can choose which watermark I want to put over this video. This one says preview. This one says sample. This one says draft. And then I can send that to a potential client in confidence because he can't use it. It's going to have this watermark on it. And if he wants to use this, he's going to have to pay me to get the video. And then all I have to do is just come in here and delete the watermark with one click and send him the video after he's paid me. Now, the other thing I can do with one click is add some music. There's all kinds of music I can add. I can add my own voiceover, or I can use an automated voiceover. It's really cool tool, and it can make you money as your own video agency. Just something for you guys to think about. Now, I showed you this with a dental niche, right? And you do a search and you will find a bunch of websites that do not have videos on them. And once you contact these guys and say, hey, look, you're missing the boat, video is what sells, you're going to be amazed at how many of these videos you can probably sell. Now, the other thing is, if you're not good at writing an email like that, you don't want to do it, you don't want to deal with people, the other thing you can do is go onto Craigslist and hire a sales rep and put them on commission, because these videos sell for hundreds of dollars a piece. And you're selling them to guys that have a lot of money, right? Dentists. Now, the other niches you can go after that have big money are chiropractors, insurance agencies, real estate agents. I mean, there's no end. In fact, this tool has a special real estate agent template pre-made for you. But again, the best thing to do is pick a niche. I don't care what niche it is. Come in here. I haven't done this, but let's find this guy. Look at his website. And again, here's a guy. He's got a slideshow, right? Pretty basic. It really doesn't convince anybody. And you could, if he wants his slideshow to still be there, it can still be there. And you can just drop the video right over his slideshow. Now, you don't have to do the work for them. You just give them the video and say, give this to your webmaster. If he doesn't have a webmaster, you can do the work for him and make an upsell. But this isn't rocket surgery, guys. Really simple service business that has potential to make you guys a lot of money. But again, here's how easy it is to create a video. You come onto a guy's website like this, and you find his mission statement. Okay, this guy has zero. This guy has almost nothing. This is all he has. Our mission is to make you smile. It's pretty thin. So you might not even want to deal with this. So let's try and find somebody that has some more sales language. Oh God, this is a horrible website. This looks so old school. This is a prime target. Again, look at these old slideshow things. This does nothing. It's not interactive. It doesn't get people involved. It's not engaging. Video is what works, but let's see. Yeah, so check this out. This guy's got a lot of sales language in here. So all you would need to do is just copy this, something like this. If it said something good, I didn't read it. And then go back to my video tool and then come over here and you can pick any of these templates and just drop it in here. So there are content video templates, presenter templates, instant ads, so you can do Facebook ad format templates, sales video templates, course training templates, property video. This is what I was talking about before, pre-made templates for real estate agents. And then you can make a custom template and save it. And then over here, these are all the actions that you can do. So cool and easy. Now, let me set you up with this video maker and get you a huge bonus on it. There's a huge bonus package that you guys might want. Okay, so what is this tool and how can you get it? How much is it going to cost? Let me show you exactly what's doing. Okay, this video creator is called Vidnami. And if you come here, you can get a free trial, but I want to show you a hack that's going to get you this at a steep discount. So if you just come to vidnami.com, you can click on this and get a free trial. I think it's how long? 14-day free trial. But after that, let's go to pricing. After that, you're going to pay $47 a month. Let me give you a hack. Let me show you how to get this at a cool discount and get a good bonus package. So below in the video description, I have my link, and yes, that's an affiliate link, and it's going to get you 25% off Vidnami for life. So that's going to save you a lot of money. So instead of paying $45 a month, you're only going to pay $35, and you're going to make that back almost instantly when you start selling these videos. So not only that, but you're going to get, well, all of that comes standard, right? The Vidnami, the story blocks, and music tracks, that comes standard. But you're also going to get these bonuses. Video traffic blueprint, how to find clients. This is really cool. So how to discover how to launch a profitable video agency from the comfort of your own home. I've kind of given you a peek into that kind of thing with this video, and then that'll teach you more about it. 5-minute Facebook ad formula. So if you want to sell your services on Facebook, this is something that you would want to study. Convert your phone into a pro video camera. That's nothing. Ultimate YouTube SEO cheat sheet. So discover 22 proven tips and tricks to lock in your rankings on YouTube. So you've got a couple of choices. You can go right to vidnami.com and get a free trial. But if you want to be serious, you can use my link and get 25% off and get all these bonuses. Now, I will tell you, that is my affiliate link. I'm an affiliate marketer. It's what I do. It makes me a lot of money. I'll teach you how to make a lot of money too. But it doesn't cost you 1 penny extra to use my link. In fact, using my link gets you a discount and it gives you a big bonus. But again, you don't have to. I just wanted to be transparent that that's my affiliate link. All right? Now, go after this. There's a million different niches that you can go after. Just start making some videos for different services, chiropractors, plumbers, dentists, doctors, lawyers, all kinds of guys you can go after. And it only takes a minute to crank out these videos and send them a demo video with their information. That's the cool thing. They see the video and it's about their website. It's about their exact service with their name in it, whatever. I mean, it's a slam dunk. All right, enough of me. Do it, don't do it. It's your life. I hope it makes you some dough. Cheers.